This is the Hypertherm Powermax 45, showing gouging techniques, torch angle and torch motion. This first gouge is a mere push. As I start the arc, it stretches up to the desired shape of the gouge, and then I match forward down the gouge line. This typically leaves my slag on one side of the gouge versus the other, depending on how my torch is positioned. Second torch angle. This one is a U-shape. As I go back and forth in the shape of a U, as I match down the line, it tends to leave my slag at the end of the puddle. Third, this is a circle shape. So, as I'm coming down the line, I'm moving the torch in a circular motion. This also has a tendency to leave the slag on one side versus the other, leaving a nice clean line as I come down that gouge.